Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In this video, we'll create a new scene called the menu scene, and inside this menu scene, we'll add this background image. So by the end of this video, we'll add this beautiful background image on top of our scene. So inside my AR greeting card project, I'll first create a new scene. Okay, so to create a new scene, I'll open the data files folder. Next, I'll open the scenes folder. And inside the scenes folder, I'll right click. After this, I'll go in create and I'll select the scene option. Okay, I'll give this scene a name of menu scene. I'll open the menu scene. And inside the menu scene, as you can see, we just have two components, that is the main camera and the directional light. Okay, so next inside this menu scene, I'll now add a new image. Okay, so I'll right click on the menu scene. After this, I'll go in UI and I'll select this raw image option. So as you can see, the raw image is added inside the hierarchy. But with the raw image, if you look very carefully, the canvas and an event system component is also added. So guys, basically whenever we add any UI components, so all the UI components are a child of the canvas, or in short, all the UI components are basically arranged inside the canvas. So if I zoom out of the scene, then as you can see, this is the canvas, okay, or this rectangular area is a canvas, and inside this canvas we have this raw image. And whenever we perform any operation like clicking on a button, okay, so that operation of button click is basically handled by this event system. Okay, so that's why the event system is also important. Now if I click on the raw image, then as you can see, the color of this raw image is basically white, and that is because we haven't added any image on top of it. So if you want, you can use any normal PNG or JPEG image which you have inside your system, and you can project it on top of this raw image, or you can download some images from the internet. So I'll open my browser, and as you can see, I have opened these two websites called pixels.com and pixabay.com. Now the reason why I've opened these two websites is because the images which are available on these two websites fall under CC0 license, or Creative Commons 0 license, which basically means that we can use these images for a personal as well as commercial use. So if I click on the license option, you can see over here that the images are under Creative Commons 0 or CC0, which basically means that we can use them for personal as well as commercial use. Similarly, if I go on pixabay.com and if I scroll down, then you can read over here that the images on pixabay.com are also under Creative Commons 0. So next I'll go on pixels.com. After this, inside the search field, I'll just type happy birthday, since our application is basically a greeting card application. Okay, so I'll search for happy birthday images. Okay, and as you can see, these are all the images which are present on pixels.com. So out of all the images which are present, I'll just select this image. Next, I'll click on free download. So over here, as you can see, we have these option of original, large, medium and small. Okay, so the original resolution of this image is 8832 by 4912. Okay, the large resolution is 1920 by 1067. Okay, and then we have these different resolution option. So I'll just select this large resolution, and next I'll click on the download button. So as you can see, the image is downloaded inside my system, so I'll copy it on my desktop. So after copying this image, next I'll open it. Okay, so as you can see, this is how this image looks. So next I'll open Unity. After this, inside the data files folder, I'll create a new folder. I'll give this folder a name of images. After this, I'll drag this image inside the images folder. Okay, so I've basically copied this image inside Unity. After this, I'll click on the raw image option, and next, in place of this texture, I'll drag this image. Okay, so I'll select this image and I'll drag it on the texture over here. Now if you look very carefully, then this image is basically in a square shape. but this image over here is basically inside the rectangular format. Okay, and if I right click on this image and if I go inside properties, next if I go in details, then the dimensions of this image are 1920 by 1067. So next I'll modify the dimensions of this image to 1920 by 1067. But before that, I'll center this image on the canvas. So to center this image on the canvas, I'll select the 2D scale tool. And the reason why I'm using the 2D scale tool is because the raw image is basically a 2D element. And whenever we work with 2D components like images or canvas, so during that time it is a good idea to use the 2D scale tool for positioning or scaling the components. So next I'll select the raw image. After this I'll move the raw image in the center of the canvas. And as you can see, when I move this image on top of the canvas, some blue lines are visible. So these blue lines basically give an indication of whether the image is placed in the center of the canvas or not. So now as you can see, I have placed the image exactly in the center of the canvas. After placing the image in the center, next I'll change its width to 1920 and I'll change its height to 1067. And now as you can see, the scale of this image is way too big when compared with this canvas. So I'll select the 3D scale tool and after this I'll select the gray cube and I'll reduce the scale of this image. So as you can see, this raw image is now covering the entire canvas. And next if I click on the play button, then inside the play mode you can see that the image is covering the entire play area. Okay, so I'll come out of play mode and next I'll click on maximize on play, and this time let's check whether the image works properly in full screen mode. So as you can see, in the full screen mode, okay, the image is just occupying the small area, and behind this image you can see the output of my camera, okay, which basically means that the image does not scale properly in the full screen mode. So to solve this scaling problem, I'll come inside the scene. Next I'll select the canvas, and inside the canvas as you can see we have this option of canvas scaler, which is currently set to constant pixel size. So I'll select this option and after this I'll change this to scale with screen size. And now as you can see, the size of the image has again reduced a little bit. So with the 3D scale tool selected, I'll change the scale of this image again. So I'll select the raw image and after this I'll increase the size of the image, and this time if I click on the play button, then as you can see the image has scaled itself properly inside the full screen mode. Okay, now let me show you one more thing. Okay, so if I uncheck the maximize on play and if I click on the play button, next if I go inside the scene tab, then as you can see behind this canvas we have the output of the camera. Okay, so guys, basically since we are building an augmented reality app, so that's why behind a canvas we can see the preview of a camera. So I'll come out of play mode and I'll end this video over here. So guys, that's it from this video, and I hope from this video you would have understood how to add an image inside a Unity project and how to scale it according to the canvas.